Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. Got this really exciting program I want to share with you. Before I talk about this, I want to share a thought with you from a wonderful little booklet I have and I keep close to me, and it's called No Limits But the Sky. And the thought is this: look your chances in the eye. It's you have to satisfy. You can never dream too big or set your sights too high. All right, well, I'm introducing, as you can see, this incredible solar system program. How would you like to save money, on your power bill? That's right, I'm introducing a no-cost solar install program where you can replace your power bill. You can take control of your electricity. Now, you will be paid $1,000 for the install, and as you can see, it includes your permits, activation, equipment, installation, maintenance, tax incentives, etc. You can eliminate your power bill today. Everyone pays for power. Everyone is doing it. Own, don't rent. And as you can see here, when you come to the site, this little site here, you just click on solar energy. You click here, and your sponsor will be me, Coach Terry. And you can also become a person that shares this with other people, and you'll be able to make money by referring other people to the program as well. Really great opportunity to help people to save money, to help people to even make money by becoming a member of our program. So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.